Welcome to Woodcut Tech, where technology meets the art of woodworking. Today, we will explore a fascinating woodcutting technique that is precise to the millimeter. If you are passionate about machinery, engineering, and wood, then this video is for you. The TimberPro TL745D, combined with the powerful Quadco 27SC head, is a top choice for heavy-duty forestry work. With a 300-plus horsepower engine and an optimized hydraulic system, it easily handles trees with diameters up to 70 centimeters. The Quadco head delivers not only high precision, but also clean, smooth cuts. Even in the toughest terrains, the TimberPro TL runs powerfully, reliably, and efficiently. This is the must-have machine for large-scale logging operations. With just 2 light pushes, this compact machine splits a stubborn oak log like it's nothing. No hydraulics, no complex engines, just pure mechanical power. A simple design with performance that exceeds all expectations. Small in size, but incredibly powerful. It leaves viewers in awe. An experience that makes you say, unbelievable. A bold solution for a seemingly impossible challenge. The HD810 from Switzerland isn't just a machine, it's an absolute beast. It devours massive tree trunks as if they were mere twigs. Though it's a bit heartbreaking to see such beautiful wood destroyed, turning it into bioenergy is a smart and sustainable use. The raw power, efficiency, and sheer brutality of the HD810 leave viewers both stunned and impressed. A spectacular showcase of modern technology. I'm not even kidding. After seeing this legendary foldable table, I need one. Not only does it have adjustable height, but it also comes with a super handy wood bundler. With this setup, splitting firewood suddenly feels like child's play. So easy your grandma could do it. And still have enough energy to ask, why don't you have a girlfriend yet? It saves your strength and boosts emotional pressure. The ultimate combo. If you think this tool is as awesome as I do, drop a comment below. Would you use it for chopping wood, getting things done, or just to prove to grandma that you are trying to settle down? At first glance, you might think it's just another regular wood saw, but don't let the looks fool you. Inside lies a true beast, packing a powerful 13 horsepower blade with 27.5 torque, ready to tear through any log in its path. What's impressive is that its design doesn't just focus on performance, it puts safety front and center. You can feel it. Raw power and thoughtful engineering coexisting in one machine. This isn't just a tool, it's the new standard for modern woodcutting. Even if it takes a few extra presses to split the wood, this homemade machine still commands respect. A mix of creativity, persistence, and raw power turns it into an inspiring solution. No fancy tech needed, just passion is enough to build something remarkable. This is true DIY spirit at its finest.
Живлення від частотного перетворювача.
Imagine a powerful homemade machine that tears through even the toughest logs in the blink of an eye. Equipped with a 2-horsepower motor and a frequency converter, it allows speed adjustments for maximum efficiency. Not only that, but it can process 35 cubic feet of wood per hour, even handling knotty logs that other machines struggle with. The real game changer? A blade made from a car spring, unbelievably sharp and durable. And don't worry about safety. It comes with protective features and a handy side table, making wood splitting smoother and more efficient than ever.
З ресори. Дуже гостро заточено. Мужик, давай, сука.
Unbelievable. That MZ truck just tore through the icy hill like a steel beast. I was stunned, watching it climb up with a full load of timber, defying all odds. Does the driver have nerves of steel to take on that challenge? This truck is nothing short of a tank on wheels, unstoppable and powerful. Truly mind-blowing.
Задошили. Чё?
Brutus 3000, the unstoppable machine. When faced with logs over 1 ton, most processors struggle, but not the Brutus 3000. With a 100 Lmin hydraulic flow and PTO power, it handles everything fast, efficient, precise. Not only powerful, it's also durable and low maintenance, making it perfect for both personal and professional use. If you need a reliable beast to conquer massive logs, the Brutus 3000 is your ultimate choice. With just a bit of creativity and passion, you can turn great ideas into reality without expensive tools. Engineering and ingenuity are the keys, proving that groundbreaking inventions often come from simplicity. What truly matters isn't what you have, but how you use it to create something extraordinary.
Куда на прицеп? Все ровненько.
The Scania R580 Next Gen, a symbol of power and performance in the logging industry. With its 580 horsepower V8 engine, this truck conquers every road from steep slopes to deep forest trails. Its modern aerodynamic design not only improves fuel efficiency, but also maximizes driver comfort. Paired with a specialized logging trailer, the R580 Next Gen becomes the ultimate timber transport machine, ensuring both efficiency and safety. This is the top choice for those who want to dominate every forestry journey. This homemade log splitter truly amazes me. It's not just an ordinary wood-splitting machine, but a powerful multifunctional beast, ready to tackle any challenge. The smart design, complete with a roof, optimizes operator comfort, making heavy work feel effortless. Watching the team work, fast, precise, and full of energy, feels like they'll finish ahead of schedule and soon be relaxing on a beach with a cold cocktail in hand. This is truly a mechanical masterpiece. In the heart of a dense American forest, sunlight pierces through the canopy, painting shimmering streaks on the ground. The roar of a chainsaw shatters the silence, wielded by a seasoned logger, the conductor of this symphony of timber. But the true star is the John Deere 127G, its massive steel arm extending with unmatched power and precision. With one decisive push, a towering tree surrenders, falling gracefully onto the forest floor. This isn't just logging, it's a spectacular fusion of human skill and legendary machinery. The International 1055 timber truck conquered a challenging route, facing danger as it descended a steep slope. With slow and careful maneuvering, it overcame the challenge safely, proving its power and durability on the toughest terrains. COMAP SD100 DLTR, unmatched power in wood processing. With a robust design, this machine effortlessly handles mixed wood bundles up to 42 centimeters in diameter, delivering maximum efficiency. The perfect blend of power and precision enhances productivity, while the ergonomic controls minimize operator fatigue. Most importantly, its advanced safety mechanisms ensure compliance with industry standards, providing a safe and highly efficient working experience. With an integrated feed table, this machine smoothly transports logs into the splitting chamber, ensuring a seamless and efficient workflow. Its powerful hydraulic system delivers consistent and precise splitting, reducing manual labor while significantly boosting output. Built for durability and high performance, the IGW6 is the perfect choice for those who demand power and precision. Woodworkers, campers, and fire pit lovers, this one's for you. Tired of battling stubborn logs like a cartoon lumberjack? Say goodbye to sore arms and endless chopping. Our hydraulic log splitter turns massive logs into perfect firewood with just the push of a button. No sweat, no struggle, just effortless power and precision. Get ready to spend less time working and more time enjoying the fire. Cut smarter, work faster. A simple trick for wood cutting. Tired of lifting and tossing heavy logs after cutting? Try this game-changing hack. By raising and tilting your cutting table 30 degrees, the wood slides effortlessly into the truck. No more back-breaking labor. Not only does this boost productivity, but it also keeps your hands safely away from the saw blade, making every cut faster, safer, and more efficient. Work smarter, save energy, and get more done. Whitland Engineering 150. Precision, speed, and zero waste. Tired of excess wood, rough cuts, and inefficient tools? Whitland Engineering 150 is here to change the game. With ultra-precise blades and high-quality industrial components, it guarantees smooth, flawless cuts with no rework needed. Faster, sharper, and waste-free, delivering perfection in every cut. Groy X Power, a new standard in fully automatic wood cutting. For the first time, a fully automatic cross-cutting machine for 1 meter long wood is here. With a powerful hydraulic system and intelligent automation, Groy X Power delivers precise, consistent, and high-efficiency cutting while reducing labor costs. This is an essential investment for those looking to maximize productivity with minimal effort. Amid rugged terrain and a rushing river, the tractor hauls an enormous load of wood, pushing forward with unwavering determination. Its wheels grind through the slippery mud as the roaring engine shatters the silence of the wilderness. As it reaches the river crossing, The massive logs tremble with the water's force. Yet the tractor's relentless power ensures the entire load makes it across in a breathtaking display of strength and endurance. Thank you for watching today's video. If you find it interesting and useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next content.